To connect your Shopify store to AMZ Seller Toolbox, click on the Shopify icon in the upper right-hand corner of the top nav. Name your Shopify store and enter the first part of the URL. Click on the Connect to Shopify button. Please allow pop-ups from AMZ Seller Toolbox to be able to connect your Shopify store. Please click on the Install App button to allow Indition CRA to connect to your Shopify store. Indition CRA is our base platform, which powers AMZ Seller Toolbox. Your Shopify store is now connected to your AMZ Seller Toolbox account. By enabling Shopify, you get access to these additional features. Automatically trigger abandoned cart emails. Send email blasts to past customers. Trigger post-purchase email campaigns based on specific order characteristics. And send emails with featured Shopify products.